Yeah, once again, very good morning to all. So in this lecture series, next we are going to see a built-in function. In the previous presentation, we have seen as what is meant by user-defined function, what are the benefits of user-defined function, how to create a user-defined function, what is meant by function call, what are the different types of function call, then how the functions are invoked, that is call by value, call by reference. So everything we have seen in our previous video. So in this video, we are going to see the built-in function. Yeah. So what is mean by a built-in function? In general, built-in functions are a predefined functions that are a part of C standard library. They are also known as library functions or standard library functions. Then built-in functions are essential capabilities for C programmers and can be used with need to write their own implementations. Here I'm going to tell some of the examples of the built-in function. For an example, input-output function. We already know that the printf function is used to display many messages or display something to the user. The scanf function is used to read the input values from the user. So this is an example for an input-output function. So math function, we all know that the square root or power. So these are all the function to calculate the power and square root. The string function is also there, for an example, to calculate the length of the string, to copy from one string to another. So these are all some of the examples of the built-in functions. In general, built-in functions are intrinsic components of the language library, ready to be used without requiring any additional installation or importation. So without add something, we can make just use of it. That's all. In this slide, see that because string function and math functions, everything we already discussed. So many examples we have seen. So no need to enter into that. So we go for, so what are the some of the built-in function which is related to the string? Here for an example, so we have a two columns. First column contains the name of the string function. Second column contain the description. The first one, string cat, which means that concatenate two strings, which means that concatenate string 2 at the end of string 1. At the end, we can add a second string, that is called as a concatenation. So what is meant by cat? Append the portion of string to another. So that is called as a cat. Then what is mean by CPY? ST or CPY? Copy string 1 into string 2. So here they list out 10 to 15 the string inbuilt functions. So instead of that saying, if we see one example, we can easily understand the concept. So let us start with an example. Yeah. So here is the program to calculate the length of the string. Very simple program. Uh, we'll see one by one. The first line is stdio.h. As we all know that standard input output.h. The second header file is string.h because we are going to use string function here. So we are need to include the header files. So we included string.h. So inside the main function, we have declared a two character array. So first array contains the program. Second array contains the same program, but in a different way we have to initialize. So these are all two different methods to initialize the string to an array. That's all. There is nothing new. We have already seen it. We have seen all these concepts. So what is the next two lines? Very simple one. Printf, uh, because here we directly calculate it in the inside the printf function. So see that first printf statement. See that last line, string strlena, which means that this function is used to calculate the length of the string. So the array contains the program. So P is a one word, then R is a one second character, O is a third character, G R O A M. So totally it contains 7 characters. So see that output. We can get the length of the string a equal to 7. Similarly, the second function is the both are I already told you that these are all the different way to initialize. That's all. There is nothing new. Program is also contain a 7 characters. So with the help of strlen, we can easily calculate the length of the string. So we know, doesn't need for any looping statement or any array and everything. You don't need anything. With the help of this function, we can easily calculate the length of the given string. So this is an example for a built-in function. So there are many examples are there. So if you go through that string functions, everything is an inbuilt functions. There are n number of inbuilt functions are available in a string. So it's just to go through that one by one. So if you have any doubt, comment on the comment section. Thank you.